bit. Back again with Interlisp. So, I was playing around a little bit more after the video earlier, and I was looking in some of the Lisp users. So, open up a chat shell. To interact with the host OS. And then inside here, Lisp users. Find dot. There's like a Pacman. There's a Pacman idle also. I don't think that was on the last one, but I'm going to do another video about some of the idle screens, I think. So this right here is an actual Pacman game. If I say load Pacman, and then notice right here has Pacman comms. So if I also type Pacman comms, I'll get that. It's kind of ugly. So if I just put a PP in front of that for pretty print, and it shows in a little bit better format. And here you can see like the functions, bars, like here's move left, and bitmaps, an array. There's some like global variables. So from there I can call Pacman. What's interesting here, it's like if I highlight over voice, up top at the prompt it says you can control it, voice control up, down, left, or right. That would be kind of interesting, especially back then, I'm sure. Cursor, I tried that, it didn't work. Pacman will follow the same direction. The cursor just moved, I don't know. That didn't work for me. The keyboard, I'm just going to put slow at first. Color, no. There's not a color display on this, I don't think. And on high scores, no. I tried color, yes, and it messed up. And right here, I tried to read the high scores, and it just conked out on me also. So then to start the game, you click on the quarter right here. The jacked up thing is that space is down. Space is down, L is right, J is left, I is up. So it's, I mean, I don't know where this like space bar came from instead of just hitting K. So yeah, I just try to hit K instead of space bar. So that's just extremely tacky. So I don't think you can close this window while it's running. So I come over here and hit Control E. And then now I can close that window. Control E, interrupt, I think. I get some of those buttons confused though, so I guess the first thing is, because we can, well, yeah, because I don't even know what's in there. So like, so we'll df Pacman, and then so we'll draw it over here, and then I believe these are like your prog variables, prog vars. These three right here. I'm gonna say all this is a comment down to right here. And so like I think these are the directions. So when I started off that game, I was going to the left. So it's going to be west. So right here, I believe this right here, so it's making it when it starts off. The game first starts, it's going to the left. And then what I'm looking for though is a way to change that. I want to change the spacebar to K, because spacebar is just like, I don't know, horrid. So here's where the ghost moves. Horrid key for that. I'm gonna reshape this a little bit. So I guess what I could do is just, I'm gonna go to the top of the file. Let's say it's Alt F to find things. Just gonna type move in here. And Alt F again. We'll keep searching, so move. So here's move Pacman. Set Q get move. So now I want to maybe search for get move. Although I don't know how to Alt F. Yeah, so if I clicked anywhere, it reset my move. So get move and Alt F. And the search the other way is Control Alt F or Control Meta F, whatever you prefer to call it. So it doesn't look like get move's actually inside here. So I'm going to come back over here and I'll say df get move. And then here, let's see what we have. Here's some prog variables again. Here's like the voice input or joystick. I guess there's like, if it was on this machine, there's a certain thing to do there. Rechar. Here's the next move. And so right here, it looks like there's a move. I guess I could have searched for move in here. Or probably read, because it has to read something. So right here, it's reading a chart to get input, I guess. So then right here, there's L, J, I, and percent space. And I believe this is the escape character, the percent sign. So what I want to do is just change this to a K. Control X that. And then now if I run Pacman again, go back to keyboard. This time I'll go medium. Color, no. Click this. And hopefully K will go down now. And it does. So that's way more convenient for me. Hitting that spacebar was really hard for down. Anyway, that's all I want to say about that. So let me Control E that, or else I have to wait to die. And then now I can close that window. Oops, I closed the wrong window. That was real smart. So let me get that window back. And then I want to close these guys right here. And then there's this thing called Masterscope, which I tried to play with a couple times, but I wasn't really too sure how to use it. Still don't know, but I figured a couple things out. So if I say like dot analyze Pacman, analyze on Pacman maybe? Yeah, okay. I'm still trying to figure this out. And I don't know how to use a lot of the stuff inside here. So it says analyze, and dotted some stuff. And then you can like show, I think, like dot who on Pacman calls any, like, what was it, get move? So it's showing Pacman. So then I might be able to say, like, what was get move was inside there. So edit where any on get move, any on Pacman calls any, like, get move. And then open that file up and brought me straight to where the get move is. This is Alt A, click that to abort. Masterscope, I think is what this thing's called. But I'm not sure, like there's like a way to show paths. So it's like show paths on Pacman. Show paths from Pacman maybe? There's like a move down up. Ghost, there's a collision check. Get money. Here's the get move, the one that I was running. But like I don't know how, because get move is a function and Pacman's the file, I want to say. So when we had that pac comms earlier, Pacman comms was it? Well, I guess I should pretty print that again, but and like you have your functions and stuff in here. So I don't know how to like analyze the get move or something and find out how to jump to that where the read C was. So like if I was to say something like edit where any fix dot edit, can I just say that to bring that? There we go. So edit where any on get move calls any like read C, and then it just tells me that doesn't work or something. So I want to say Pacman's a file and this get move is a function for that file. I don't know how to like mess with those yet, or I mean this thing's so sophisticated, I'm sure you can do whatever you want. I just barely getting used to this thing at all. What else is there that I could do? Like, I think that's pretty much all I can think of. But anyway, I figured it was interesting to see the Pacman game. Also, just knowing a little tiny bit about Masterscope. Ribbit.